Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradeWinds.com, and this is our update for January 17th, 2017. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, we certainly saw a sell-off today, and it was all led by the financial sector, specifically Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan, which we'll look at in just a moment. But first, let's take a look at the index charts. The Dow down 59 points today. Now, still within that range, still has not broken below these lows, but it's getting much, much closer. The S&P 500 was down almost 7 points, while NASDAQ was down 35, a fairly healthy pullback, and the Russell was down 20, and the Russell is right at those lows, so just about to break out. It also closed near its lows today, so we should see a continuation of that tomorrow. Bonds we were up over a point today. And before I get to gold and crude and all of that, because there is a connection here, let's quickly just take a look at Goldman Sachs. Look at that sharp pullback today. Financials overall were down about 2%, but Goldman Sachs, which you can see was down about 3.5%, and JP Morgan, and both of these led the way. Strong gap lower here after earnings, and more earnings to come in the financial sector here in the days ahead. But also today, gold spiking today, up about 19 points. That was after comments from Donald Trump that really all he said was that he thought the dollar was too strong. And that's really all he said, and the market went kind of crazy there. The dollar pulled back sharply. Have a look at the dollar index chart. Wow, what a sell-off. Swift and hard and at its lows here. We should see a bit more of a pullback there. Still, the longer-term charts don't look half bad. They're still okay, but near-term, strong sell-off. So this move lower in the dollar led to gold moving higher. The thought is that Trump's going to take steps or measures to reduce the value of the dollar and therefore stimulating the manufacturing sector. That's the thought behind that. And crude today, not doing a whole lot. At the close, it was up 11 cents. Now tomorrow, more earnings on the financial side. We have Goldman Sachs, which is going to be a big one. Citigroup, USB, to name a few, but Goldman Sachs will certainly be in the spotlight. So expect the financial sector to once again dominate trading tomorrow. We'll see how those earnings develop. They should be out before market open. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next